Hey guys, welcome back to the Moto Gumption YouTube channel. Today actually what I'm going to do is have a me day. Instead of going and working on that Sheila over there, I'm going to go take this one and make her go fast. I'm going to the track today. I haven't been to the track since last October. I'm not the best racer. I just never get the seat time I need throughout the year to just get out of the hole, which is launching the bike, guys. Don't think perverted. Anyways, so I'm going to go take it to the track and see what we can do. There's some friends out there. It's already it's 10:30 right now, and it's already like 91 degrees. So that sucks. So I don't expect a good density altitude today. I don't expect the bike to perform the best. It's a supercharged bike, non-intercooled. So it's going to be super hot air going in there. It's not going to like it. But I'm going to take it because I want to have some fun and have a me day. So see you guys there. So right when I got to the track, I caught up with some friends for a little bit before actually making it to the staging lanes and making a pass. But I had to get this beautiful purple truck on camera. The paint doesn't do it justice on the video. In person, it was just gorgeous. This day was blazing hot. On this one, it was my first pass of the day. I had a really slow start. My 60 foot was a 203. If you see that smoke, it's just blow by from the crankcase breather. That's a usual thing from boosted engines. So there was a little bit of some talk about a battle between two bikes in the pits. I was going to get back there and record my friends Sean and Anthony. They're both Gsxr 1000s. One of them stretched and one of them stock wheelbase. Both of them have some decent work done to them. Sean versus Anthony. Oh, he's coming around him. Oh, 936 versus 943. Nice. Really good setup right there. Wait, I thought he had that one. Huh? I thought he had that win. Oh.
I ran better time than they wanted.
Oh, he got you on the tree.
What that mean?
So he actually had a good reaction time.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Bro, you did a good job, bro.
Like from your start to finish was fast. Faster than his, but his start to finish like actually on the tree was better.
Exact best time ever so far, just now. Really?
943.
Bro, you can run 9 easy on that bike, bro.
Oh yeah.
And let me get on that bike real quick.
And a little bit of pit maintenance. Mo found a nail in his tire. Decided to go ahead and change out his tire, not run that on the track. Smart decision. And beautiful ZX14 owned by Ace Flynn. Won't say his real name. But this thing is awesome actually, and he's one hell of a rider. And there's the old man right there. Trusty old sport touring FZ1. Oh my, I think that's a Turbo ZX14. Yep, time to investigate.
Boiled the thing off now.
I'm spinning every pass.
Oh my god, it's crazy. The one I finally hooked a little bit off the line, but then it broke loose at the usual place. I'm just boiling that back tire.
My third pass, I went to 877 and it hooked that one time. And then now I'm on 880 and it's just spinning through markers.
Here I thought I was about to race Ace Flynn on his green ZX14, but to my surprise, it was another ZX14, a red and black one, actually. And man, I fully expected that ZX14 to come right by me, but he never did. And actually, so here's the next and last race of the day. I was actually racing that green bike that I passed by pretty good on the back end. But this is a completely second race, different race, but the same results. Well, looks like I'm about to head off. They're ending for right now. Gonna open back up at 8. If I can get out and actually come and run, that'd be great though. We'll see how it works out. Cannot hook up today. Running really slow 60 foots. Alright guys, so welcome back to the garage. We went and we did the race thing. Alright, we went to the track. The bike performed, me, not so much. I still need a lot more seat time. I don't have the launch seat time, that's the biggest issue, okay? Everything else is flawless except for my launch. So, I got 2 tickets, the better ones here. I did 4 runs. The first one was at 10.1, the second one was a red light, and then these 2, which is a 993 and a 994 at 148 and 147 miles per hour, which is not bad at all. The mile per hour is awesome. Just that launch time. I'll show you, here's a picture right here. Look at this, guys. And as you can see there, The 60 foot on one was a 191 and the 60 foot on the other was a 194. Anybody who drag race knows that those 60 foots are trash, all right? So I need to work with the bike, get my 60 foot down and get that a lot better, just so I can get it. The whole goal here, guys, the whole goal here is to get that bike at a 9.5 quarter mile before I take it apart. It could probably do a lot better, but I'm under a time restriction, so I can actually get this thing running by the end of the season and get that back on the track. All right, I'd like to get an 8. We'll see. All right, that's high hopes because I still don't have that seat time, and we're gonna throw like an extra 100 horsepower on there. Yeah, we'll see how that flies. Anyways, enough about my bike right there. Let's talk about the raffle bike. So I still haven't got a lot of the parts in just yet that I've ordered. That sucks. But the thing is, they are still coming, all right? And they will be here, and we'll get to those. For the next episode, what we'll be doing is we'll take off the head, all right? We're going to start, I'm going to try. Hopefully I got some stuff going on here. I can switch out to the R1 shock. And then also I'm going to start porting the head. I was really up in the air if I wanted to port it, but now that I've thought about it, let's just go ahead and do a small port job, just some cleaning of the rough castings that the manufacturer left there, or opening up the port just a tad bit. We're not blowing out the head, we're trying to increase velocity of the air. My personal bike does not have a ported head, it's stock. And actually the head is a big restriction on these engines because it's old tech. These engines, they didn't change from 2004 to 2006. That's the same engines in these 2014 models. Nothing's changed. So we will be doing that on the next one, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, if you guys really do like what you guys are seeing, all right, please like, subscribe, and share. Do one of those, all right? And it really does help the channel, all right? Helps us grow. We're at right now 120 subscribers, which is awesome. So we're up about 27 from last time, which is great, all right? We're making some huge strides here, guys. So if you guys like what you see, please, you know what to do. All right, guys, see you later.